So we welcome you to SparkEd. We are sharing with you our experience and what we are doing. And hopefully with what we have learned through these past years, we'll be able to help you, and that hopefully some of you, if not all, will be interested in joining our SparkEd Center. So that is the next step. After the workshop and the seminar, DLSZ Zobel will have a center that will help you deepen what you have learned regarding the next generation blended learning or robotics, or having a leadership curriculum instruction and institutional mentoring and coaching. So if you join that center, we will provide you with deeper skills so that you can be leaders in your school to move your school towards the 21st century learning our students should be experiencing now.